Which is the largest state in India by area? A. Maharashtra, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is D. Rajasthan. Which is the place with the highest rainfall in India? A. Rajasthan, B. Cherrapunji, C. Agambe, D. Mahabaleshwar. Correct answer is B. Cherrapunji. When was the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) established? A. 1935, B. 1947, C. 1950, D. 1969. Correct answer is A. 1935. When was India's first five-year plan launched? A. 1947, B. 1951, C. 1956, D. 1961. Correct answer is B. 1951. In which year was GST implemented in India? A. 2015, B. 2016, C. 2017, D. 2018. Correct answer is C. 2017. Which institution replaced the Planning Commission in India? A. Niti Aayog, B. Finance Commission, C. Reserve Bank of India, D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is A. Niti Aayog. Which is India's largest public sector bank? A. Punjab National Bank, B. Bank of Baroda, C. State Bank of India, D. Canara Bank. Correct answer is C. State Bank of India. What was India's first satellite? A. Bhaskar, B. Aryabhat, C. Bhaskar 2, D. Rohini. Correct answer is B. Aryabhat. Which planet is closest to Earth? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Mercury, D. Jupiter. Correct answer is A. Venus. A light year is a unit of what? A. Time, B. Distance, C. Speed, D. Energy. Correct answer is B. Distance. Who discovered the structure of DNA? A. James Watson and Francis Crick, B. Gregor Mendel, C. Charles Darwin, D. Rosalind Franklin. Correct answer is A. James Watson and Francis Crick. What was India's first lunar mission? A. Chandrayaan 1, B. Mangalyaan, C. Chandrayaan 2, D. Gaganyaan. Correct answer is A. Chandrayaan 1. In which sport did India win its first Olympic gold medal? A. Wrestling, B. Hockey, C. Shooting, D. Athletics. Correct answer is B. Hockey. When did India win its first Cricket World Cup? A. 1975, B. 1979, C. 1983, D. 1987. Correct answer is C. 1983. When did India win its first Olympic gold medal in hockey? A. 1928, B. 1932, C. 1948, D. 1952. Correct answer is A. 1928. Who was the first Indian woman to win the All England Open in badminton? A. Saina Nehwal, B. P.V. Sindhu, C. Jwala Gutta, D. Prakash Padukone. Correct answer is A. Saina Nehwal. In which year was the Indian Premier League, IPL, started? A. 2005, B. 2008, C. 2010, D. 2012. Correct answer is B. 2008. When is National Science Day celebrated in India? A. January 28, 2024, B. February 28, 2025, C. March 28, 2021, D. April 28, 2020. Correct answer is B. February 28, 2025. When is Republic Day celebrated in India? A. The 15th of August, B. The 2nd of October, C. The 26th of January, D. 14 November. Correct answer is C. 26 January. When is International Women's Day observed? A. March 8, 1988, B. April 8, 2022, C. May 8, 2025, D. June 8, 2021.